to get the license plate for your ass. Think you gonna fucking spy my piece, you little fucking faggot? Let them spy this shit. Let them spy this shit. Let them spy this shit. So you guys need to get that license plate. Figure out why the fuck this faggot would ever be trying to go to anywhere the exact same time as me. Try to play it off like I ain't jumping on the roof, spying on our shit, hacking. It's fucking like 11 at night and shit. All these bitches' cars are fake and shit. Bitches on policing black joy and shit duty. These bitches license plates and fucking and shit, right? So you can fucking harass me and shit. You wanna take this shit away because it's telling the truth and shit. This is a landmark for little bitches, a gang stop right there. Put that there, put that shit on purpose because they're hella caught. That's what cop bitches do. This bitch is on fucking gay duty. He's straight up on sleep deprived witchcraft duty, spelled gay duty. Every attack this bitch does, tries to spy on us fucking eat. Try to spy on us, do anything. Then they'll stand here. Try to make us smoke cigarettes and shit. Motherfuckers are supposed to go to sleep. They're supposed to stand up all fucking night. Trying to jump on the roof and spy what the fuck we do. These bitches are not really driving by like that, so yeah, that's my police report. I'm not playing that shit. Everything this bitch has is set up stupid and shit. Trying to force a fucking window open for monsters to come in and shit. So everything they're doing is a fucking sleep deprived, some stupid witchcraft and shit. This bitch always leaving this trash can open. Doesn't know how to take the trash can out. Know why? He's trying to make people get flies land on them in the dark and big eggs and shit. Then try to send them to put some ointment on. Costs like mad money. And then this bitch can even put more fruit flies and shit. Wish she could blame bitches. Now get the fuck out of here. Ain't not a goddamn thing was fucking made up. But you really think